Good morning. This is A. Malhotra. Welcome to my show, Gyan Scholars. Today, the guest of our show is a scholar who has completed his post-graduation in economics and did his doctorate on value and distribution system in ancient India. He served as a reader in Delhi University. He is Dr. Bajrang Lal Gupta, who published a book titled as a new paradigm of development. His book talks about Western development model, search for a new development path and so on. Now we are joined by Dr. Bajrang Lal Gupta.
I had a long teaching experience of different colleges near about for 40 years. I traveled all over the country delivering lectures on various subjects in colleges, universities, academic institutes. I have published number of articles, near about more than 100 articles in different magazines, journals, periodicals, newspapers. Gyan Publishing House has published my two books. One is Value and Distribution System. My second book was published by Gyan Publishing House titled as A New Paradigm of Development, Sumangalam.
The book written on the economic development model by Dr. Bajrang Gupta is a unique in a sense that it helps you understand the growth models in a very simple manner.
A new paradigm of development. Basically, this book is divided into 3 chapters. In this book, I have tried to analyze various growth models. Present day, we are doing our whole development model based on Western development model.
As far as the book Value and Distribution System is concerned, this book is somewhat related to the price mechanism of ancient times.
Our Shastras, archaeological evidences, to know what was the price system and distribution system in ancient India, what provisions they have made, what kind of institutions they have framed. Can we learn something from those guidelines today with regard to our present price system and distribution system?
Talking about his book Value and Distribution System, he said that his book tried to reveal some unknown facts related to the research work done by the ancient Indian thinkers.
Out of this study is that ancient Indian thinkers did not diagnose man's different problems, economic or otherwise, unrelated to and isolated from each other. They were hard believers that problems are interrelated, interwoven. So, solutions should also be given integrated, holistic in a manner. That's it for the day. This is A. Malhotra signing off. We will meet you again tomorrow.